guys, welcome back to my channel Vlog with Hia. So today we're going to yet another cafe. It's called Bricks Cafe, and when I looked at the pictures and I was going through the type of cafe it is, what's the vibe, and I saw it is looking over the sea, I was like, we have to go now. So one thing over there is the view of the sea, and then just the vibe, the ambience is so aesthetic. I just loved it. So today we'll be going there, and since it's the weekend also, so I was like thinking of having a sip of matcha and like being in the vibe. So I really wanted to show you this. Come, let's go. This is a classic chocolate croissant and this is a mango matcha. So let's eat and let's see how tasty they both are. Looking at the croissant, it looks like a very big croissant. It's like a two-person, two people can eat this. It's very big. I came here for the sea view and I did get it. And it was amazing, but because of the melting heat, I sat inside, and because of that, it was very crowdy and it was very loud, so I was not able to take a video for you guys. So I have done a voiceover on the videos that were inside, but it was very loud. So now let's talk about the service. Yeah, the service took at least 15 to 20 minutes for them to order the food and come to our table. Then basically if it's crowdy, then it will take time, but if it's not, then it would be fine. Then the food was a 10 on 10. If you're a matcha fan, for sure try the mango matcha. They said that it was like the best matcha they have. So in that matcha, like you'll have like tints of taste of mango, and it was amazing. I really liked it. Then I ordered the chocolate classic croissant. Yeah, that was amazing. Like there was this bits of chocolate on the top of it. Yeah, and it felt like I was eating Switzerland chocolate again. Like I'm serious. Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah. That done, then the ambience and the vibe was exactly how I saw in the photos. Yeah, what I came for I got. And for the prices, I feel not a lot of people talk about it, so that was very nominal. I felt it was very prominent for the food they're giving and how it tasted. It was very nice. So in all, if I like a cafe, obviously I'm going to come again. So for sure I'm going to come again. Yeah, and I love it, and I really do want to recommend this to you. Like, do try coming here on a weekend, because today is a Saturday when I'm shooting this, and the crowd was also perfect. Like everyone had fun. I was seeing everyone really liked the cafe a lot, and I did see a lot of repeat customers. So amazing cafe, should come. It's in Jumeirah 1, I guess. Yeah, it's in Jumeirah 1. I'll put in the location link in the description box. Okay, till then, thank you, bye bye. Do subscribe to my channel Vlog with Hia. Bye.